we have some fall germ, some more fall germ continuing. So we've got that and a few more projects here. I'm still pretty sore from that hole I dug. My hands are toast. So I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, I got this nice blister cut from my ring finger, so I'm not married right now. Just kidding. Anyways, check out the spinach coming in. Yes, that's looking really good. Been watering a lot, and we have a few really hot days, but then it should go down, so happy about that. A lot of weeding, and I finally got rid of all of the rest of the radish in here. They're bolting pretty bad, so I ended up just giving it to the chickens. So eventually it goes back into our garden anyways. This strawberry plant is hanging in there, but this one's doing better. So I've been watering those quite well. And as you can see, this arugula is doing really well. I just need to, I'm really concerned about the heat. We just don't want it to really affect the arugula. It needs to stay in a cool climate. So just got to get through these next few days. Coming out here, check it out. The pumpkin's coming up. Isn't that cool? Let's see, I wanted you to see this one. This is the way the seed looks. So there's part of the seed still left on there after it germed. So I thought that was pretty cool. Brussels sprouts are hanging in there, but darn those grasshoppers, they just keep eating these leaves. So hoping they don't destroy everything. We haven't gotten our bad winds yet, so now corn. Look at how thick those stalks are. Awesome. Doing good. Hang in there, buddies. I still don't remember what this volunteer that came up, what type this is, but the cool thing is that there's like 4 clusters. One here, there, and there. So it's pretty stoked. This cabbage is just so incredible though. Look at that pretty one right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Just so pretty. This one over here is be jacked up from the bug pressure, the leaf miners. So you could sacrifice one at least so the other ones can grow, and that's the sacrificial plant. I do not know what this is here. It's a collard or what? Another type of kale, but it's got me stumped. We'll just wait and see. I'll take a bite out of the leaf and see if maybe it tastes like kale here. Ooh, that texture's not right. Pretty firm texture. Could be a cabbage. Well, we'll just have to wait and see. As for another little project I'm doing, this is a $20 plow I got at an estate sale. I'm just trying to fit it in here now. I had to cut here, this plate on both sides to get it underneath there, and I had to yank the exhaust, so it's gonna be a little bit of customizing to get the exhaust muffler installed back in there, because it's not going to fit in there. It just won't fit, unfortunately. This is a stabilizing bar that I'm going to have to make a metal piece from here going to this bolt right here, so it shouldn't be too difficult to put that on there, and I'll do that on both sides. This is another stabilizer. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but perhaps I can just drill a hole right here. This is pretty thick steel though. Well, I might be able to do it. Just take the pin out and put it in there. It might work. This guy's definitely seen better days. I have to oil it pretty bad. So, just what you get when you pay $20 for something. It is a little wider. It's supposed to be 42 inches. This is 46, so the weight is going to be a little much for it. So I see a lot of people using these things to put some kind of a weight on the back. So that might be an option for me. Turns out the wheel weights that go on the back of the wheels that I had gotten as well with everything, those are the wrong size. So what I can do is just put some kind of a box and put those wheel weights back here. The chains will fit no problem, but yeah, the wheel weights are just gonna have to go in some kind of a configured box. So there's my little update on the farm with some more germ for the fall garden, and a little taste of a project I'm working on. I have another one I'm doing too, but that's going to be in another video. We have some stuff, something that's going to be delivered, and then I have to do some work on the other side of the mobile home here, so that's to be continued. Hope you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.